Introduction. Good day everyone, my name is Julius Pihano and today I be talking about the rise of AI in digital communication. AI has become a powerful tool in how we share ideas through message, email, video call and even social media. In this presentation, I explain what AI in communication means, show some common tools, highlight both the benefits and concerns, and talk about what we might see in the future. What is AI in communication? AI or artificial intelligence refers to machines that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. In communication, this includes chatbots, language translators, email assistants, and voice recognition system. Tools like Grammarly, Siri, and Google Translate are everyday examples. Benefits of AI in communication. AI brings many advantages. First, it saves time by generating message or response quickly. Second, it helps personalize communication like suggesting better ways to phrase an email. Third, it improves accessibility. Tools can now translate language in real time or provide captions for the hearing impaired. In business, AI helps teams stay connected and efficient. Challenges and ethical concerns. Despite the benefits, there are important concerns. One major issue is the spread of misinformation. AI can create fake news or deepfakes. Another is over-reliance. When people use AI too much, they might lose important communication skills. There's also the question of privacy. Some AI tools collect personal data without users realizing it, so we must use AI wisely. AI in the workplace. In the workplace, AI is transforming communication. Chatbots handle customer service. AI tools help write reports and meeting software can even take notes. Many companies use AI to improve clarity and reduce errors. However, employees still need to use human judgment and empathy, something AI cannot replace. AI in the workplace. In the workplace, AI is transforming communication. Chatbots handle customer service. AI tools help write reports and meeting software can even take notes. Many companies use AI to improve clarity and reduce errors. However, employees still need to use human judgment and empathy, something AI cannot replace. Future of AI in communication. In the near future, we may see more advanced AI like virtual assistants that understand emotion or avatars that speak on your behalf. AI might support real-time language conversations during international meetings. But even with all these tools, emotional intelligence and human creativity will remain essential. Conclusion. To conclude, AI is clearly reshaping how we communicate. It helps us write, translate, connect, and share faster than ever. But it also challenges us to think critically and communicate responsibly. As AI continues to grow, the question is not whether we use it but how we use it wisely.